We have the basic mechanics of a game now, and we're going to continue to add behaviors and events so our game is a little more fun and challenging to play. So working with level 2, scene, I'm first going to box my crocodile in so I don't fall off or jump out of the screen. And if you click this is a grid, which if you hold shift, allows you to drag your items over very quickly without going out of alignment. Okay. I can turn that off or on by clicking this grid icon. What we are going to do to make this level a little more challenging, so we have our actors. Maybe we'll put a snake here, and I'll build a tile. I'll use this red brick. And down here I'm going to place spikes. Let me open my grid for a second. Okay. Now we don't want to fall into the spikes. Right now, if we were to test this, the computer would register the tiles and the spikes as the same thing. So we would not die if we touched the spikes. So there are multiple ways to do this, but a simple way is to use our region tool again. So I'm going to draw a box around my spikes, drawing a region. This is region 0 for level 2. And then we go over to the events for level 2. And we say actors, add event actors. Specific actor enters or leaves a region. So when, choose the actor, crocodile, enters, choose a region, region 0, we will kill the actor, choose actor, the crocodile, and reload. Now we're doing the reload so we can just start the level over all the time for testing purposes. You might want to have lives or game over screens at a later time. So let's test this scene so we don't have to go through level 1. Test scene, it'll just test level 2. And we should die when we touch the spikes. Gotta jump over the snake, and I fell into the pit. Now I didn't die, and that is because my region box is beneath the collision box of the tile. So the gray region box, you can see, is slightly beneath the green collision box of these spike tiles. So it's good that you saw that so you can fix it yourself also if that problem happens to you. So we go over to level 2, the scene, and we have to drag region 0 up a little higher, and now we can retest the scene. So the longest part about these tutorials, waiting for the compiling to complete. Bam, there we go. Now, in case you're wondering why I have these boxes around my characters, that's because I have the debugger turned on. And that is right over here, I believe. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute, I have to click Stencyl. And it's been a while since I've looked at this. Yes, run enable debug drawing. So you can turn those boxes that show your collision boundaries on or off by checking or unchecking enable debug drawing.